Hello, I'm Jen from kbeautycode, introducing Korean cosmetics. The OHUI Prime Advanced 5-Piece Travel Kit is a set of popular skincare products from OHUI, conveniently sized for travel. This kit includes the key products from the Prime Advanced line, so you can maintain your usual skincare routine even while traveling. Here are the items included in the OHUI Prime Advanced 5-Piece Travel Kit. Prime Advanced Skin Softener, a toner that provides moisture and enhances skin elasticity. Prime Advanced Emulsion, a lotion that nourishes the skin and restores moisture-oil balance. Prime Advanced Serum, a highly concentrated serum that energizes the skin and boosts elasticity. Prime Advanced Cream, a moisturizing cream that keeps the skin hydrated and protected. Prime Advanced Eye Cream, an eye cream that improves the elasticity of the skin around the eyes. All 5 items in the travel set have anti-wrinkle properties, and the eye cream also includes whitening functionality to brighten the under-eye area. The Prime Advanced 5-Piece Kit is ideal for those looking for hydration and elasticity from within the skin, and it allows you to experience premium skincare in a convenient way.